Let's make you an expert in variance and standard deviation of ungrouped data. Now in this video we're going to look at sample variance. Now the first thing, we shall have the formula for the variance of a sample data, and it is basically the summation of x minus x bar in bracket squared divided by n minus 1. Now considering this as our data set, for us to get the variance, the first thing you're going to get is the mean, and the mean is denoted by x bar. Now to get the mean of this data, it is actually very simple. We just add these numbers, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. Then we divide by how many numbers we have. For our case, we have this as 1, 2, 3, then 4, lastly 5. So we divide this by 5. Now to add 2 plus 4, that is 6. 6 plus 6, that is 12. 12 plus 8, that is 20. And lastly, 20 plus 10, that gives us 30. Now then 30 divided by 5, that gives us our mean as 6. So x bar is actually 6. Now let us go ahead now and have a table for this. We shall let this data to be x. Now for this first column, we shall feed in x values. So we shall have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Then for this second column, we shall feed in mean values. So for the header, it shall be x bar. Then for these remaining portions, we shall feed there 6 because that is our mean. Now we shall add another column for x minus x bar. And to solve for this is very easy. We first consider this row. We shall have to subtract 6, and that gives us negative 4. Then we move to the next row. 4 minus 6, that gives us negative 2. Then we have 6 minus 6, that is 0. Then 8 minus 6, that is 2. And lastly 10 minus 6, that gives us this value as 4. Now last, we need x minus x bar in bracket squared. So we add here this column, and this column shall be of x minus x bar in bracket squared. Now we have x minus x bar as negative 4. So we square it to get 16 as our first value. Then negative 2, we square it to get 4. 0 squared, that is 0. Then 2 squared, that is 4. And lastly, 4 squared, that gives us 16. Now then to get the summation, we basically add this 16 plus 4, that is 20. Then plus 0, that is just 20. Then plus 4, that is 24. And lastly, plus 16, that gives us the summation of x minus x bar as squared as 40. Now then, the next thing we can get now is the variance. Our summation of x minus x bar in bracket squared is 40. Then n, we consider this column of x. We just count how many numbers we have. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. So our n shall be 5. So 5 minus 1, that is basically 4. And 40 divided by 4, that is 10. Meaning our variance is 10. Now let's get the standard deviation. The standard deviation is normally the square root of the variance. So for us to get the standard deviation, we shall have the square root of 10. I remember the square root of a number is positive or negative. So we shall have this as 3.16. But since this is standard deviation, it cannot be negative. We shall have it as positive 3.16. And these are the solutions for this problem. Now here is a problem for you. Find the variance and the standard deviation of this data. Feel free to give it a try and share with us your solution in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.